Hello folks, it's been a while since we've done this. I'm actually, I got a day off and I was having a bit of a lie-in, and then I realised I had a missed call from Emily. Emily's away in Tenby actually at the moment, and she said, have you seen Wren's message? You might want to have a look. And she messaged asking me whether I knew anything about magnetos and ignition timing for old motorbikes and old Royal Enfields. So, for those of you who don't know, wreckitwren, she's got a profile predominantly Instagram based, and we currently have her late 90s, 98, 99 500 bullet that we're doing not a rebuild on, but you know, a good chunk of repairs. Her and her partner have been rebuilding I believe it's a mid-60s Enfield G2 I think it is, but I'll confirm that when we get there. And they've been doing a fast track rebuild on that while she's been flat out with work as well, in order to take it to the Malle Mile, which actually begins today. As I'm recording this, so I didn't see this message until kind of late morning, and I was ringing to advise, and I says, well actually I've got the day off and I'm off tomorrow anyway.
Help is on the way, dear! This is Delphi! Help is on the way!
So yeah, I am now laden up. It is currently 1 o'clock-ish, somewhere there. I'm running a little bit behind as per usual, but I should be in the wonderful area of Reading within 2 hours according to Google Maps. So I guess we will get on the road, get some miles chopped down. We've got a tank full of fuel, and go see if we can help some folks out.
No, it's got no oil in it.
Oh. Holy shit!
We can hope.
I think you should give that man a hug. He just did that in 10 minutes.
Yeah, I've been trying to do it for like 3 days. Go to bed at like 3 in the morning.
No guarantees yet.
No, but...
Well, no, but that's about 10 times further than it was doing. It was backfiring. This is our next challenge, is getting this exhaust on. Yeah, just do it.
Get that on the end of it.
Exhaust tug of war.
That's a
Christmas cracker. Really expensive Christmas cracker.
Yeah.
We should just get Joe to fix everything else in here, shouldn't we?
How's that?
You never leave.
I think that looks immaculate,
Yeah.
don't you? Looks purpose built. What's the bracket?
Oh, I don't have one yet.
So we need to make one.
I'll make one, yeah.
Should we stick some oil in it and
yeah.
make sure it actually runs?
Okay, it's a lovely evening. Let's see what he's up to.
How long has been on there?
What are you doing?
Fixing a thing.
What are you fixing? Because that's not anything to do with Bubba. So what have you got now?
It's a petrol tank.
Well, I can see that. Is that your dad's?
Yep.
Where's that come from?
Well, from my dad's.
Well, I can. When did you see your dad?
Today, on the way home from work.
Oh,
He broke it.
you broke it.
Yeah. It's been leaking fuel, look, and he's trashed the paint job that I paid a fortune for.
Let me see. Oh.
So I've got to fix that.
So, but why are you choosing to fix it now?
Well, my friends come into play.
Oh, I see. I see the motive.
Am I not allowed to fix it now?
I'd quite like to narrow down the amount of projects. I'm going to rein you in because we started a 350 bullet
We did.
and we've left that there. We decided we were going to build a Honda
We've left that there.
and we left that there. And then we picked up a 500 bullet
We've left that there.
and that's there.
There's parts of the Triumph.
And now you've got a tank
For a BSA?
for a BSA. So
It's a nice BSA though.
it may very well be, but I'm going to rein you in and we're going to do Bubba.
Okay. Smell it.
I don't need
Smell
to
it.
smell it.
Smell how bad it is.
Oh, that's
See, you wish you could put that in a video, don't you?
potent.
That's horrendous. That's how bad it smelled when I first built the bike. It needs to be somewhere safe. Jared will be fuming actually, because that is a Triumph tank and it originally was like a orange with a hand painted Triumph logo on it. And at 19 I just sanded it off. Right.
Right. Go on then.
Suppose we want to try and get this
Let's
running, don't we?
have. Is that the plan?
We can try.
How many jobs are between now and is it running?
Well, the Jubilee clips came,
Yep.
so that's all there.
Oh yeah, I can see them. I spy them on the bench there.
So all those bits need to go in.
All of these bits here have got to go in. Yep.
We're going to do rust proofing on the tank, but you had a really good
Yeah.
idea.
I did. We're going to borrow this tank.
Steal Tom's.
Yes. I don't know if I panned round very well with that. We're going to steal this tank. We're going to steal Tom's tank.
Okay.
And we're going to put it on Bubba just so we can see if all the bits we attach work. Stealing.
Well, it's Tom's tank and it's full of fuel, so we'll use some of his petrol for once. Hopefully this later tank fits an earlier bike enough.
I think so. You're in line with them holes this side at the front.
Yeah, it's a bit different, but
What are the main differences?
it seems like it's... Well, I think it's this bracket for the head steady. So this doesn't quite fit the frame.
Okay.
It would if that wasn't there. And I think I'm going to have to make a temporary fuel line.
This one's what you was missing.
That's one I was missing. Where was it?
In this yellow bucket.
Oh yeah, it's been in the MG. Come on, fuel pipe. Come on. You punch yourself in the gob.
You go with the bang on your head that you had yesterday.
I did.
Thought you did think he was gonna like knock himself out yesterday. The
You're in front of it. Move.
the drawer.
Move. Oh, they might be better. Ooh, I like when I find things.
And that tied your drawer after we cleaned up.
You didn't
and
tidy that
tidied
drawer.
in the workshop.
That drawer's off limits to you. Don't you try and take credit for that drawer.
We tidied everywhere.
You said, why is all that stuff in that drawer? And I said, you don't need to look in that drawer. That's a none of your business drawer.
Everything's my business.
No. Look what I just found. This is something I watched my dad buy from the Stafford bike show, and I thought, why is he buying that naff fuel line for? What use is that ever going to be with them silly clips? You're welcome, Wren.
So you're clipping it onto the carburettor, and then where's the other end going?
Onto the fuel tank. Let's get some pliers and some clips, put you in the way again, ain't you? You know. Here I am, trying to do all the hard work. And you just sitting there with a camera.
Always watching you.
Yep, tell me what I can't do. Like my beer safe fuel tank. I was enjoying that.
Well, this is priority.
Instead, you made me come and get stabbed by a Jubilee clip. Didn't you? Yep, is the answer.
Yeah.
It's probably a bit of a stretch for this, but for a temporary go, I think we'll live with it. There's fuel.
Fuel.
Going in the carburettor. You ready?
Yeah.
Where's the key?
What key?
This one.
Oh.
Do we have life? We have life.
Life.
It hasn't run since 2019, did she say?
Yes, 2019. She said when she went across the plains.
Ready?
Ready? Ready as we'll ever be. Thinking about it. I forgot it was kickstart.
Ready?
Oh, each one there's a bit more. Nearly. what was the good news? I wasn't listening.
No.
Tell me again.
The bowl's not spilling. So
Oh.
yeah.
Oh,
the
the bit
float
at the
bowl.
bottom.
So the float height must be right.
But we did just have to leave,
Oh, there's a lot of smoke.
and there was a lot of smoke. But you've just said you think there's an electrical issue and an oil issue.
Yeah, there was something going on. Every time I moved a cable back here, it was cutting out. So I'm moving this. So I think there's something.
Well, it's a bit funky smelling over here.
Yeah, it's burning oil, and I don't know whether that's just that it's been sat for a while, it's got sticky valves, or
We know that he works.
there's
and
life
that's
in
good.
there at least. And even though it's burning oil, it sounds strong, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Worth cleaning up then.
So the real job begins, I guess.
Yeah.